مرحبا جميعا. حرفنا لهذا اليوم our letters for today حروفنا لهذا اليوم هي ثلاثة حروف مختلفة. These letters look like ولكن الاختلاف the only difference is the dot. Where is the dot? If there is a dot. سأشرح الآن. I will explain to you the difference between the three sounds. How would you write them beginning, middle and end, and if they are friendly or unfriendly. Please stay with me, I'll explain everything. First, let us talk about the sounds. Let's start from the right one. So if you saw the letter below, this is not the middle by the way, this is below, just like this. It's a ja. It's a ja. If you saw the dot below, it's a ja. If you did not see any dots at all, it's ha. It's close to H, but actually it's not H. It's not H because we have a different letter for H, like as in hamster. So this is more like ha. So you're trying to say ha, but you actually blowing more air. Ha, try it. Ha. If you can't do ha, it's okay if you did ha. And the last one, if you saw the dot above, it's kha. It's kha. There is no letter in English for kha, the sound kha. Maybe in Russian there is, but in English there is no letter for kha. That's why when you see it like this written, it meant to be kha, as in the name Khalid, which Khalid, name Khalifa, which is Khalifa, like Burj Khalifa. It's not actually Burj Khalifa, it's Burj Khalifa. So whenever you see this, like Ras Al Khaimah, it's not Ras Al Khaimah, it's Ras Al Khaimah. So when you ever see the KNH, that means it's a kha in Arabic. It's not a ka. Kha. Again, dot below, ja, no dots, ha, dot above, kha. Okay? Let us talk about how they join beginning, middle, end. If you are writing one of them, the ja, ha, or kha in the start, you have to write it like this shape. So you write the letter, let's say ja. I'm going to do example on ja. Of course, ha and kha are the same. So all my examples will be about ja, but ha and kha are the same. So if you're writing ja, you write ja in the start, then you join it. Of course, there three are friendly letters. They are friendly letters. That means they do join. So let's say I'm joining it to ba, ja, ba. Maybe I'll end the word with na, jubn, which means cheese. I just wrote the word cheese. Ja, ba, na, jubn. Jubn means cheese. So ja, in the start, it will look like this. It will not have the tail, that tail, because you are about to join. So you have to lose the tail. So ja, you join with ba and na, jubn. So this is if it came at the start. Okay. What if it came in the middle, but after a friendly letter? After a friendly letter. Let's say I'm writing the word Rajab, okay, which is one of the months in Arabic. Rajab. I write Ra. Is Ra friendly or unfriendly? Ra is unfriendly. So the ja, if I'm writing ja, it has to be exactly like the one at the start. Why? Because Ra is unfriendly, so it's like I'm writing it at the start. So, and then you end with a ba. Because Ra is unfriendly, it will not join to ja. We took Ra, so you know it's unfriendly. What if a letter, let's say na came before, and I'm writing ja? Of course, ja then will join. So ja will be joined from both sides because na is a friendly, so it will join to ja, and ja is friendly, it will join to ba. Okay? So you write this letter at the start or middle after a friendly letter, unfriendly letter. If it's after friendly letter, this part will be joined to the letter before. Okay? Let us talk about how would ja look at the end after a friendly and unfriendly letter. Let's try it after a friendly letter. Let's say I'm trying to write Banaj. Ba. The words doesn't mean anything. I'm just trying to use the letters that we covered. Ba. Na. So na is friendly. I'm trying to write ja. So I will write this ja, but na will join to it. Na will join to it. Because na is friendly. But if I'm trying to write burj, which is tower, bara, the ja will look the same, but it will not join. So it will look the same, but ra will not join to ja. So when you put the tail, you know it's at the end of the word. You only put the tail if it's at the end. And then you decide if the letter is friendly, it has to join to it or la. Okay, I just gave you an example on ja. Follow the same on ha and kha. Remember the sounds again? Ja, ha, kha. I hope this is clear.